Hello and welcome back to another video. Glad you're here. Today I'm just going to be making a pin, another pin. I'll link the video below on how to set all this up and make a pin. Today I'm just going to be making a pin out of cherry with gold hardware. I'll be making this for a friend of mine who requested it. So I'm just going to make this. Like I said, the link will be in the description for the video showing you how to make it, like set everything up and do everything from start to finish. This is going to kind of be a video of me turning it and putting it together and kind of showing you the end result. So let's get to that and we'll take a look at it when it's all done. So there it is, all done. Nice cherry wood pen. Put a couple little burnt accents in it just to kind of set it off a little bit. Works well. These are really nice pen kits. And there it is. I hope you like it. I will be in touch with you. I'll probably tag you in the video on social media somewhere so that you can see it if you want to watch the video. If not, I'll just be in touch with you and bring your pen soon. And that's going to do it for another one. Thank you all for stopping by. If you like the content here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you all again. We'll see you next time. Take care. Focus. Oh, hang on. Yeah, right there. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hit the notification. Bro, I gotta talk words. And when you subscribe, don't forget. If you like the content here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. What did I say? You.